Hi everyone, hope you all are having a wonderful day. My name is Mary. If this is the first time you come visit me, um, what I'm going to do today is my fireplace, a mantle for Christmas, and hope you all are having a great day today. Um, it's finally been getting a little cold over here in Texas, which is nice to get me in this Christmas spirit. I've been going very slow on my Christmas decorations. I usually would have had all this done by now, but I want to do the videotaping for you all and take it slow, enjoy the moments of decorating, going through all my Christmas decorations, and it's been fun. Taking it slowly, relaxing while I'm going through all the Christmas decor. Hope if you did watch the gingerbread Christmas tree, I hope you all liked it. I really did love it as much as probably gonna do it next year too. Um, oh, yesterday we were celebrating my youngest son's 27th birthday. Uh, he was requesting for sloppy joes, so that's what we had. After that, other son had purchased poncetta Legos from Costco, and we finally got to get that done, and I had so much fun. It's really nice. Let me go ahead and just show it to you all, so y'all can see how it looks. So this is a box. It's a poncetta Lego. And to be honest, to tell you the truth, I didn't think I was gonna have that much fun with it, but I surely did. And it's right here. I think it's so beautiful. It wasn't that hard to make. I think it was a perfect, nice quality time with my son. Him being patient with me and showing me how to do this. It's real pretty. You can kind of move them around, bring them a little closer. Definitely something I'm gonna keep and bring it out every Christmas season. I think this would be a perfect Christmas gift for somebody that loves Legos, or just something new for someone to try for the first time. Because honestly, I didn't think I was gonna have that much fun with it, and I surely did. And it's so beautiful. All right, well, let's get back to my decorating that fire mantle, which is over here. Here's Thumper, and he's not letting me open that container so I can go through the Christmas stuff, right, Thumper? Okay, so here's some of the stuff I'm gonna work with. And of course, let me show you this. Okay, this right here, I actually found it. Thumper, behave. I got it in an estate sale for $10, and I think I'm very sure it was during the time that it was already 50% off, so I probably paid $5 for it, which it tells you the price right there. Hopefully you can hear me because I'm videotaping with my tablet at the moment. I need to get myself a new phone. So I have everything wrapped individually, trying to take care of everything. There we go. I think it's just so beautiful. All right, so let's go ahead and start decorating. Just unwrapping them. So pretty. And here's baby Jesus. And Thumper wants to play with the wrapping paper. No, Thumper. Behave. Since I've been opening the boxes, I feel like I'm getting all these allergies. Do y'all get that? I don't remember getting it last year. Just now that I've been opening lately my containers, and I just been sneezing away. Where's the other one? Oh, so pretty. Okay, let me go show you the mantle I have so far. I need to figure out how to hide all that over there. The TV. And then all right, that's it. I'm done. It came out pretty. I think it just came out pretty. That's the first time I do that on the fireplace. This living room has been taking me a while because we actually moved all the furniture around in the living room. So many times I've done that. But this time I think it's gonna stay like this. I am very happy with it. I love it. So yeah, we moved our sofas, our TV was actually on this wall right here, and we moved it to that corner over there. And I think it opens up the living room more space for us. And yeah, it's real pretty. I think. Let me know what you all think. I might as well show you. This is also the end table. This is how I'm gonna go in and just keep it this way. That lamp right there, I've always had it in my bedroom, and this time I thought, you know what, I think with that real pretty design on the lampshade, it should be in the living room where I can see it more and have it on more often. And when people come over, my family comes over, they get to see it. I think it's pretty here. It really did look pretty in my bedroom, but I think it just looks a little bit more prettier here in the living room, honestly. The next thing I need to decorate for my living room would be my Christmas tree, and I think the coffee table, and I think that would be it. Oh, and the hallway, I do have a table there also, and I think that would be done. That would be it for my living room. After that, I also need to finish my kitchen and my dining room. I still haven't done the curtains for my dining room. That will not take me that long, but can't wait to get that started and get that done too, and be done with this decorating so I can just enjoy buy Christmas presents and do some baking and some cooking and just enjoy the Christmas before it's all over and then the start of a new year. But thank you again for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video. Y'all have a blessed day and take care. Bye.